Right now, faceless creators are gaining over 400,000 followers in less than a month using a brand new niche, AI time travel vlogs.
Just look at these numbers, 7, 9, and 10 million views, and almost nobody knows how to make them look actually realistic. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my exact step-by-step tutorial on how to create your very own AI time travel vlog, and we're going to be using GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0. I'm also going to reveal my prompting secrets to get that perfect handheld smartphone look, and one trick that's going to keep your character's face perfectly consistent in every single shot. So let's break it down. To get started, we're going to be using Async. It has all the AI models that we need built into one platform, and I'm going to pop the link down below so that you can follow along in real time. First, click Edit Video with AI. We're going to close that pop-up, and then on the left-hand panel, select Explore AI Models. Now, the first tool that we need for this is going to be used for character consistency. So this is exactly where about 90% of people go wrong. You need a character sheet that looks exactly like this, and that means having every single angle of your character developed up front. And what that does is it helps the AI so it doesn't have to do any guesswork later on. Now, to build this, we're going to be using GPT Image 2, and it's right inside the platform, so we can go ahead and type that into the search bar and then select it. Now we're going to upload a clear full body shot of ourselves along with a headshot, and now we need to apply my foolproof consistency prompt. And don't worry about writing this down, I'm going to leave the exact text in the comments below so you can just copy and paste that. Now we're going to send that off. We're going to let the AI double check the instructions, and then we're going to hit generate to get our character sheet back. That's going to lead us on to our next step. So in the chat, type use Seedance 2.0. Now, the reason we want this character reference sheet is because most AI models, they max out in under 1 minute. So if we're creating a multi-shot time travel vlog, we want to make sure that our character looks perfectly consistent across every single video. And this sheet here enables the video engine to do exactly that. Now remember, if you want your vlogs to look like real handheld smartphone footage, you can't just type in a basic text prompt. The AI doesn't need to know just what to draw, it needs to know how to direct the scene. So you can choose any area you like. If you want to do past, you can do that. If you want to do future, you can do that. But you do have to use a 7-part framework here to get really hyper-realistic results. So let's break down the blueprint here, and then you can copy it. First, we need to lock in our camera settings under aesthetics. So notice here how it says POV, selfie, handheld, wide shot. This immediately is going to force the AI to angle that camera at arm's length here. And you also want to specify whether you want this to be horizontal or vertical. So if it's for YouTube, you can put the aspect ratio is 16:9, and if it's for TikTok, put it the opposite, put it 9:16. Now, right below that in the character block, this is how you fix the biggest issue in AI video consistency by typing in use image attached. That means you're going to lock your pre-uploaded character sheet into the prompt. That's going to ensure that you have the exact same face, hair, clothes throughout the entire vlog. Next is the secret sauce here, the action sequence. So Seedance 2 allows you to map out an exact multi-shot timeline using raw timestamps. And you can add in specific dialogue tags here under each shot. And the AI is going to automatically sync your lip movements to match your voice in that exact environment. Now, finally here we have the production brief and the negative prompt to pull off the ultimate illusion. So you have to prompt for human flaws. So look closely here. We explicitly ask for handheld shake and a selfie arm in the frame throughout. Then you can use negative prompts to banish things that you don't want, say no music, no text, no transitions. And this guarantees that the AI is going to give you a complete raw organic footage here that you can cleanly edit later on. Now that you know how to write the perfect prompt blueprint, we can send it off, and then the AI is going to analyze it. It's going to feed it back to us just to ensure that it understands our vision. And now we can tweak it, or we can hit generate and then let that AI get to work. So after a couple of minutes, we've got our time travel vlog back here. So let's take a look.
You're not going to believe this. I've actually gone and landed myself straight into the ice age. I am absolutely freezing out here. This isn't just cold, it's a completely different level. Look at the size of them. Real life woolly mammoths just walking right past me. This is mental. Unbelievable. Right, I need to find some shelter before I freeze solid.
I think that's pretty cool for only a couple of minutes of work. And if you wanted to make it longer, you could easily drop in a second prompt here right into that AI chat, and that's going to generate the next scene. But for now, let's drag that clip straight into our timeline, and we can edit this right inside Async just like a traditional video editor. So firstly, we're going to add some automatic subtitles here. This is a non-negotiable for me, especially for short form content, because over 80% of people, when they're scrolling through social media, they have their volume completely turned off. And by adding those captions, you're going to ensure that you can catch those silent scrollers, people who are second language learners, anybody who's hard of hearing, and it just keeps your retention graph high. So we're going to click subtitles in the toolbar, hit auto generate, and now we can style our fonts to match our personal brand. Let's take a look here at the audio. So instead of jumping into another program, all we have to do is ask the AI chat to add an epic cinematic background music track and also add in matching sound effects like howling Arctic winds and heavy mammoth footsteps. So here's a crucial pro tip. Make sure you tell the AI to lower that background music track so that it doesn't drown out our character's dialogue. All right, now we can see how all the pieces have come together in the final product.
You're not going to believe this. I've actually gone and landed myself straight into the ice age. I am absolutely freezing out here. This isn't just cold, it's a completely different level. Look at the size of them. Real life woolly mammoths just walking right past me. This is mental. Unbelievable. Right, I need to find some shelter before I freeze solid.
Amazing. And if you do want to hijack this trend and start pulling in millions of views yourself, I have left my exact consistency templates and the Arctic prompt blueprint in the pinned comment below, so you can go ahead, copy and paste it right now. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.